Introductory offers can look like a lifeline when you're rebuilding credit. 0% APR for 12 months, bonus points, balance transfers with no fees. But here's the truth. These offers are often bait. Let's break it down. Many cards lure you in with 0% interest, but that rate only applies if you pay everything on time. Miss just one payment and your promo rate vanishes, and the default APR kicks in, often 25% or more. Plus, some offers have deferred interest, meaning if you don't pay off the entire balance by the promo deadline, they'll charge you retroactively for the full interest. That's financial sabotage. Then there are balance transfers. Some cards say no interest for 18 months, but sneak in 3% to 5% transfer fees and high interest after the promo ends. If your credit isn't strong enough to pay the balance down fast, you'll get stuck again. Rewards? Don't chase them. If a card offers 2% cash back but tempts you to spend more than you can pay off, you lose. Interest eats up any rewards you earned. Credit repair is not the time to play the points game. It's the time to build discipline. Stick with simple, low-risk cards. Forget the flash. Build a foundation first. CreditFixGuy.com is here to help you decode the fine print and use credit cards the right way, on your terms.